Hey folks, I'm Dennis. Thanks for watching my video. This is not a typical how-to video for my channel, but I have found something that I want to share with you that's particularly useful if you have a shop. If you have like a dust collector, a fume hood, a filter box, something like that, that you would like to have remote control start on, I've found this outdoor lighting remote control package that is exceptionally cheaper than the ones that are available. Like, for example, the dust collector remote control devices that I've looked at, they run anywhere from $35 to over $100 each. The $35 ones are single device units. The ones that are over $100 are either a single device or up to a 3 device unit. This particular set, and I'll leave a link below in the description, I got from Amazon for $30. It can control up to 3 devices with one remote. So it comes with basically a pigtail with the receiver. Got a 3-prong plug, got the receiver, on-off button and an indicator that'll show you when it's on. And then it comes with like a key fob type remote for 3 devices. You got your on-off 1, 2, 3. Each receiver is numbered with the channel that it uses. They're rated for up to 15 amps, which makes them good for almost anything in the shop. So, like for example, I've got my dust collector on channel 1. I can turn it on. I don't know if you can hear that or not. It turns my dust collector on and off. With the receiver in the wall and whatever my device is plugged in to it here, sorry, I keep holding that upside down. It's got a little mounting tab. Plug that in. You can also, if you're at the device, you can also press this button and turn it on. I'll show you that in a minute. I've got my dust collector on one control. I've got my filter box. I built a filter box planer stand combination that's got a squirrel cage fan and a couple of 5 and a couple of 1 micron filters in it. So I'll run that if I'm doing a lot of sanding in the shop. I've got that on number 2, and then I don't have anything on number 3 at this point because I don't need it yet, but I have a second dust collector that I'm going to set up on the other side of the shop, and that'll be on number 3. So I can put that in my pocket, clip it to my shirt, whatever, and I can control all of my devices from wherever I am. I don't have to walk across the shop, turn them off and on, that sort of thing. So it's come in real handy, and what's impressed me is because it can handle the voltage and the current that I need at such a low cost. Like I said, it's $30 for all 3. You get 3 receivers and you get the 3-channel remote together. So just thought I'd share that with you. It's real handy in the shop. I'll show you the installation over here and then kind of wrap it up. So over here in the corner, I've got my dust collector just tucked in out of the way. I can take my remote, turn it on. If I set my remote down and I'm over here at the miter saw, at the miter station, I want to turn it off, I can turn it off as a receiver. Or I can, turn it on with the remote. You'll see on the receiver that the light lit up telling me that it's active. And you can turn it off with the remote. You can turn it off and on, whatever combination you want. As always, I appreciate you watching. Give me a like if you would. Subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you back soon. Thank you, and God bless you.